Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox Dell P2719H 27-inch height adjustable monitor. This is an amazing monitor for the tall users who looking for high screen level. Its Antiglare with 3H hardness will minimize the reflections, and maximum preset resolution is 1920 by 1080. It's designed to optimize eye comfort even over extended viewing for the designers, gamers, or office users. If you think about the connectivities, it's having one DisplayPort version 1.2 and one HDMI port version 1.4, and it's having one VGA port, and also it's having upstream ports in the bottom, one USB 3 and two USB 3 downstream ports the side, and also it's having two USB 2 downstream port at the bottom. I can recommend this monitor who looking for height adjustable for the gamers and designers need to sit long hours with their computer. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, share and comment. Thank you very much.